So I have this completely annihilated vehicle in my hand. And one would think you can't get the door open because, A, the fire department cut the battery off, and it is locked. Back window's blown out. That's how they get them out, by the way. There's no power to this. But I'm going to try to get this lights out anyway. You ready for this? You bust out the back window. You run 2 wires down to the actuator, all the way down there. Let me get my light. And we have power. See those? Shoot, let's see if I can get a video of it. Can I? So I found the 2 wires for the actuator. Let's see, get it this way. Come on. Oh well, I'll get it. And then what I'll do is put power to this thing, and I'll pop the door open. Check this out. See? I got it open. So what you use is just regular battery. Just positive and negative to the 2 wires, and I'll show you when I remove this door panel. And that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully your car doesn't look like this. This one does. It actually looks pretty easy. I removed this actually from the outside. See? These are just pull. Just pull on these. Pull, and these will pop out in your hand. This overlaps over here, just like that. But pretend it's up here where it was originally. Right? So it's easiest to pull from here, right? And this whole piece will just come straight down in your hand. Got it? So these overlap over here. Got it? Good. Now, got one more screw right in there. We gotta get this guy out, and this whole panel will pop out in our hands. And with gloves and safety glasses, which you should not need, I'm gonna show you what I did to get this door open. See? Found the 2 wires for the actuator, and just pop them with a battery. Now, let's get to work with the sleds. Take this, take this, take this. And I think you don't even need to take this panel off. But so I'm going to end this with the panel. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.